tape itself. Get off your ass.
Get your ass up.
Yeah.
Get your ass up.
Yep. You see what the problem is.
You're fucking lazy. Alright? You lazy bum piece of shit. Fucking get up, start taping.
So Florida junkyards are literally like Florida junkyards are like paradise for anybody that likes junkyards. Work on concrete, everything's organized and nice and clean. We got a limo at the front. They don't care. Ford fucking Ranger! Who cares about these second gens? We gotta find the OBSs. Who cares? These ugly fucking 2Gs. Actually, it does. It does drive down the road. This is Florida for you. The frame looks brand new.
What frame? This frame?
It does. It looks fucking brand new. It's insane. Well, everyone's out looking at the 2Gs. CJ's over here looking for OBSs because those are what actually matter in this world. No OBSs here. Where all the Mustangs should be at, right freaking here. In the fucking junkyard. Scrappers, my guy. They're all here because they got wrecked.
Try to look for an OBS fan.
No, I found it. I smell it. Come here. Bro, come on. It smells like grandpa and graham crackers. Let's go, come on. I swear it's over here. It's definitely that way. This isn't it, but we're getting closer. We're close, we're close. These are vans, Gabe. No, that one was. That was actually an excursion. It's somewhere. That way. And when I smell an OBS, I smell an OBS. I don't know, I think I would have sensed it first. No. Your balls just weren't tingling like mine. There it is. I knew I smelled it. I found it. There's an OBS right there. See it? There's two of them right next to each other. Fucking YouTube. More than Gabe does. You want to have it?
Yeah, I'll have it.
Okay.
Oh my God! Is this my birthday gift? It's in 2 days. What? I knew he did it for me. I know.
I can't believe it fits in here. Oh, he's gonna blow it up. And then meanwhile, Brandon actually blew it up. Where's it at? He said there's oil all over the fucking axle. I don't know. Doesn't seem like a lot.
He's a leaker.
Now I'm ready, because now Thomas is going to lay down his mask. What would CJ say? This raggedy storage is full.
You need a new phone.
It's brand new. It's 13 Pro Max.
Well, what fucking storage device did you get?
256.
Well, that's trash. You should have got the 1 terabyte. Ain't that right?
That's my window, bro.
Reload. That was close. It was like, what, 2 inches away?
The door started shutting on it.
Always have to block it because they're lightweight and the wind blows them. Oh yeah, I like the pink. This looks really good.
Right here.
You got her running right now. You ready to shit your pants?
Yep.
You're on it now. Sounds healthy too.
Yep.
He actually burnt, like, melted his valves and shit on New Year's. So he burnt the valves up or melted them on New Year's?
They flattened the valve out.
Yeah. You can see how flat it is. It used to look like that. That's what it looks like.
Oh, that's what he broke when I talked about coming on it?
Yeah.
That's his gate ferrule right there. GFP.
Yeah.
It was not GFP proof. Gate ferrule proof.
Not only did he break that, but he broke his cam in half too.
Yeah.
I can't believe he broke that cam.
Yeah, that was it. That's an LS cam.
That's an LS cam.
Yeah,
that's
stage 1.
That's an LS8.
Yeah. That was stage 1.
Pretty big for an LS cam.
Yeah, stage 1.
It looks like a duck cam. And then new or old, new tires?
Brand new.
Brand new old Larry Hoover's on that motherfucker, boy.
He's burning over. Oh. See?
Bar my ass.
Yeah.
You stick this bar up my ass and then it stops me from shitting myself.
That's still shit marks right there.
Oh, that.
What the f? That thing screams.
We didn't die. Definitely gnarly though. It was Mount Jesus.
So it kind of passed the test, but it didn't pass the test for hauling it all the way back home. We got to readjust the trailer. He's gonna pull it over here. We're gonna hook the Alumaduty up to the truck to the trailer. We're gonna see if we can get the big truck and the other big truck on the trailer and see how that works. And we're gonna see how many tires we can go through from here to Indiana. It's gonna be fun. Stay tuned. Let me get down. I literally about fucking fell. A little bit? A little bit more? Keep coming. Keep coming. Keep coming. Right there. Woo! Come up a little bit more. Hold on. A certified fucking nutcase. Right there.
I doubted you. Tking said it wasn't gonna fit. Brandon said it wasn't gonna fit. Jesus said it wasn't gonna fit. We had everybody against us, and
Except for me.
except for old CJ. He was like, "Nah, I'm on the hypotenuse on the triangle. It should fit."
Dude, we got them both loaded up. It's kind of insane. We'll see how it goes.
3 hours later.
You know what I love? You know what I love about this shit? This right here.
Why do you want me to record? So honestly, I've been doing really good on YouTube and like in life lately, and I always said that whenever I get rich and famous, I'm gonna treat my friends to everything that they've always wanted. And CJ's has always wanted one thing.
Not the
in
fucking
particular.
popcorn again. I literally hate that. It smells like feet.
Focus.
Okay.
I got you your dream car.
Oh my gosh. I'm pumped. Do the doors open up?
I
Oh
think
my
so.
fucking god, the doors open up. Look at that. Both doors open up.
You're freaking pimping. Now you can pull it to the bar and pick up all the milks that you want.
Yeah, guess what, bitches? I got a McLaren.
Yeah.
This is literally what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna grab the title to it, and then womp, bop, 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 womp, bop, 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 and then in the middle of the burnout, I'm gonna go
Lift
womp,
up the
bop,
doors.
bop, bop, womp, bop, bop. I'm gonna reach over and open up the passenger one. Womp, bop, 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 bop. Womp, bop, 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 bop. Womp.
Yeah, just like that.
Just like that.